Hi, Russell. I just went for a swim out in the lake, and now I'm going to have a fire, and I'm going to watch the birds come in for the night. As it gets dark, the birds like to come in and rest on the lake for the night. If you look out there, you can see they're already starting to gather on the sandbar. Maybe Uncle Matt will join us and enjoy the fire with us tonight too. Wouldn't that be nice to see Uncle Matt? Maybe he will play some music for us as we sit by the campfire. I'll show you the fire. It just started, Russell, so it's lots of flames, but pretty soon there won't be so many flames. And we will watch the sun go down and the birds come. We will watch the geese come in, and we will watch the great blue herons come in with their long legs and their long necks, and we will listen to the seagulls as they gather for the night. Watch for the great blue herons, watch for the geese, the Canada geese flying in, and listen for the gulls. And I hear a big boat too. It's starting to get dark, Russell. Will the birds come? So, I'm having my dinner by the fire. Giga Mama made me a wonderful dinner with salad and eggplant and meatballs and sauce. And Uncle Matt will come out and have supper with me too. The birds are coming.